In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI in Gmail. By the end, you'll have the smart, AI-powered features turned on, so your inbox can help you write faster, find information more easily, and work more efficiently. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. It's best to do this on a computer so you can access the full settings menu and see all available options clearly. Once Gmail is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens the quick settings panel, which is great for basic tweaks, but for what we need, we're going deeper. In that panel, click See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings dashboard, where you can control everything from your inbox type to advanced features. You should land on the General tab. If you're already there, perfect, this is where we want to be. Under General, scroll down until you see a section labeled Google Workspace. This area groups settings that connect Gmail with smart capabilities available in your organization's workspace account. The section can be a bit lower on the page, so keep scrolling until you find it. Next, click Manage Workspace. This opens the controls related to intelligent features. Depending on your account, it may appear as a link or a button and might open in the same tab or a new one. Give it a moment to load if needed. Now, toggle on Smart Features in Google Workspace. Turning this on enables AI-driven capabilities, including Gemini-powered enhancements, so Gmail can suggest helpful actions, improve search relevance, and assist with writing. You might notice improvements like smarter suggestions in the Compose window, better context for follow-ups, and more intuitive organization and surfacing of important information. If you're concerned about data usage or personalization, take a moment to read the brief description next to the toggle. You can always return here and turn it off later if your needs change. That's it. With smart features in Google Workspace turned on, you've effectively activated the Gemini AI experience inside Gmail. From here, just use Gmail as you normally would and watch for context-aware suggestions and assistive prompts as you read and compose messages. If anything looks different from what you see on screen, it may be due to your organization's settings or account type. In that case, simply revisit the same Gmail settings path when your admin has enabled access. Thanks for watching. You've now enabled the smart Gemini enhanced features in Gmail to streamline your email workflow.